Now listen, if you have a strategy that works already, you already know how to, like, you have an entry strategy. Okay. Now I want you to watch this video to the end because I'm going to be giving you the direction of this week. Although it's already Wednesday, but still yet you can take advantage of it. I already recorded the video. Watch this video to the end. And for those of you that are new to trading, you want a good broker with more than half a decade of experience, use the link in the description to register with TradeW. I'll see you inside of my screen. Let's go. Hello guys, welcome inside of my screen. So guys, so quickly, these are like the pairs I'm watching, or rather let me just go through GBPUSD and tell you what I feel like is going to happen on this particular pair, right? This is something I do every Monday, but I'm posting this late. I'm posting this on Wednesday, right? Now this stuff is happening this week, right? Now we have this impulse move, and go and check my last video. Guys, I said this market was going to buy. I bought around this point here. Market gave me profit, and now it's retracing down. The thing is, just simply understand the trend of the market. This is the daily time frame, by the way, and imagine how long it took for this move to happen, right? So the thing is also know how to like execute your trade properly, right? Because the market went up, now it's retracing down. Like I understand the structure already. I know what is going on. Do you get understand what is going on in this particular market? It is going up. It's in an uptrend. I caught this move here. This particular move, I didn't catch this one. I caught this particular move to the upside, and then the market went down and make this retracement, right? Now it has gone up again. Kind of retracement is going to happen. Probably dance a little bit around there. This is what I feel like is going to happen on GBPUSD. This is the daily time frame. You can go check it, and you heard it first on my channel, right? Now, I'm expecting the market to start buying off from this particular level. If you are to draw your, if you except maybe the market gets to continue dropping down, right? Because okay, let me just go to my 4 hours time frame. So, and for those of you that are new to trading, right? You are completely new to trading, and you want a good broker with tight spread and everything. I'm currently working with TradeW. They are like a regulated broker, and they have like more than half a decade of experience. So this point, half a decade of experience, you can use the link in the description of this video to start using TradeW. Use the link now, register with them, download their app, and start trading with them, right? And also use the link in the description to join my Telegram community. I also drop my trade updates there as well, right? Although I've not been consistent in dropping my trade updates, right? So I'm expecting is a buy off from this particular point here. This particular point, it depends on what the market is doing at this point. So it can continue selling to the downside, right? So if I'm to draw my fib level from this point, fib level from here, from swing low, which is this point here, to swing high, you see that it is around the 50% retracement. So it can come, it can still drop down further, and then start pushing up, right? It can push up a little bit. So it can, what am I expecting? I'm expecting me buy. Just know that's my direction. How I enter the market does not concern you, right? I'm just letting you know my direction for GBPUSD. So you can see this is the trade I took. I got here. The market started buying, but I didn't buy at this point here. This one, I called this one live, right? Market went down. At this point, enter the trade. Market bought to the upside. So this is like a good 1:3. So let me also check the other one. So this particular trade, I entered the trade at this point here. So this particular trade has been on since last week. I entered around somewhere this point. Around somewhere this point. Market went up, went down, then went up again. Although this trade is risk-free currently, I've broken even. So the worst comes to worst, I go home with nothing, right? Except maybe swap fee and other. So for those of you who don't know, I also trade a proprietary firm account of $50,000 with FTMO. So what I'm expecting is markets. I've drawn this level and this level. Either if market breaks this level, most likely it's going to hit my break even. Market continue dropping down. It is. I feel like if it breaks here, it's going to hit my take profit. I know these pairs are positively, negatively correlated. GBPUSD card and GBPUSD, right? If this one is selling, this one will be buying. Do you understand? So this one is currently selling, and that's why this buy of yesterday happened, right? I just hope this market continue dropping down, please. Right? So I'm expecting. Let me show you my exact entry. So this is my exact entry. This is the point I entered the market. Those of you will be like, Those of you that want to copy my entry and how did this guy enter this trade? It's simply break of counter trend. For those of you that don't know how to trade, you want to learn how to trade, use the link as well in the description for a one-on-one training, right? Market pushed down, gave me profit. I didn't take the profit. It pushed up, right? I was expecting this move, but not as like this, right? Probably around this blue line. The market spacked up, right? It spacked up, went down. Although thank God I had not broken even yet. It's not thank God, it's skill, right? Although thank God, yeah, everything I appreciate God for for everything I have today, right? But like it's skill and luck as well. Because I was not watching the market at this point. When I saw the market at this point, yeah, the market was around this point. I was like, bro, if you want to go and eat TP, go eat TP. If you want to start reversing, although the market later closed like this on Friday, right? Because I entered around probably on Tuesday last week. Just imagine. So I had to like break even this trade, and then just imagine holding a week from on Tuesday till today, which is Wednesday, right? Market went and gave me 1:1 half arrow. Look at it around this point. 1:1 half arrow. I was risking 500 on this trade. I was up about 700 or 750 or so. I didn't take my profit. Currently, I'm up about not up to 500 again, sha. Probably like 400 or $300 on this trade right now. Right. So, but I'm expecting the market to push down, just fall, please, to this point. But any Asha, it might probably break this level or break this one. But possibility of breaking this level is high because it's at this point now. It can come to this level and start consolidating, right, before it breaks it. Anything can happen, my bro. Anything can happen. So for those of you that are new to trading, use TradeW. Click the link in my description. Register with TradeW. They are giving out $200 cashback. If you want to know how to register with the broker, you can send me a DM on Instagram or on WhatsApp. Right? Reach out to me. I'll register. I'll help you register. And also, you can be getting free signals like this from me. Okay. So I just needed to make this video. I'll be posting this today as well. Right? I needed to make this video and let you guys know about my trade for this week, right? This is new month. Happy new month. This is like the 2nd of July. Bro, half of the year is gone. We need to make money. I'll see you in my next video, right? I'll see you on Saturday on the update of my video. Bye for now.